What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, a lot to talk about in today's video, so let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. First and foremost, the topic of today's discussion. The main thing I wanted to chat with you guys about is an update that we recently got from Shitoshi. Now, you guys already know the deal. When it comes to Shitoshi, the lead developer of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, when he goes MIA on Twitter or on social media in general, that means something big is brewing. And I think this time is no different. So let's go ahead and see what update he gave us for this week. He says, "Thanks for letting me push in silence for this week," because he has been pretty much silent working on things in the background. "Next week, things will begin to get interesting. I absolutely love it," leaving us with a little bit of foreshadowing here. Also, seen some great art from Playside Studios for our Shib CCG. Can't wait to share. Great work, mates. Now, if you guys don't know, Playside Studios is actually developing. They are a AAA rated gaming studio that is currently developing the Shiba Inu game. One game that's going to be on the blockchain and another game that's going to be for mobile. Something that we have to recognize when it comes to Shiba Inu and the whole ecosystem is that, guys, this is no longer a meme token. This is a ecosystem that is trying to be the face of cryptocurrency. They are trying to spread the word of Shiba Inu across the whole entire planet. And this is exactly how this is done. It's through the community effort and having a great set of developers up at the top, making sure all the pieces fall into place perfectly. So a big shout out to Shitoshi. We are going to have our eyes and ears open, waiting for his next update, because I think it's going to be a big one. Next week, like he says, is going to be very interesting. Now, what I want to talk about next is the cryptocurrency market in general, but of course, keying in specifically on Shiba Inu, the price action, and where we expect to go from there. But first and foremost, before we get into that, gotta give a huge shout out to Webull. If you guys don't know, I am actually a Webull affiliate, and Webull is putting on the biggest promotion they have ever put on for their 4th birthday. This is the way it works, folks. In the description below and also pinned up at the top of the comments, you are going to find my Webull affiliate link. If you click that link, open up a brokerage account with Webull and deposit just 1 cent, folks. 1 penny is all they are asking for. You are going to get 6. You heard that correctly. 6 free stocks, guaranteed, absolutely no questions asked. The potential value of those 6 free stocks can be all the way up to, now get this, all the way up to $12,600. Obviously, you do have to be a little bit lucky to get that combined value, but nonetheless, you are going to get 6 free stocks. All you have to do is use my affiliate link in the description below, also pinned up at the top of the comments, open up a brokerage account and deposit just 1 penny, 1 cent into that brokerage account. Make sure you guys take advantage of this promotion, as it is not going to be lasting forever. So Shiba Inu, the broader market, cryptocurrency, stocks, and all things in between. Where do we go from here? Because on the 1-year chart, man, things are starting to look very, very ugly. I'll be the first to admit, look at this. We had this huge run up in October, and from a practical standpoint, we are right back where we started in the summer of 2021. So the question becomes, are we going to make our way back up here where we were doing so hot, we were doing so well, or is this thing going to continue to fall? Well, I wanted to key in on this tweet that I saw earlier by Bitcoin Magazine, and I absolutely love this tweet. Internet, quote, "may be just a passing fad as millions give up on it." This is exactly what we are seeing with cryptocurrency. I also saw a wonderful TV ad by Coinbase, and it had tweets up. Every single time the cryptocurrency market had a huge correction, guess what? Somebody had an opinion that crypto was dead. And every single time, since all the way back in 2012, every single time the market had a correction, we've always seen a comeback. And this is the exact same narrative that's being pushed right now. People have become disinterested when it comes to cryptocurrency. And I'll be the first to say, people have actually become disinterested when it comes to Shiba Inu. Now, how can I say that with confidence? Well, guess what, folks? If you just track the number of views on my videos, you will clearly see that less and less people have become interested in indulging in content that's centered around Shiba Inu. Most of the people, they've invested, they've either left their money in, taken their money out. Nobody's really interested in following the narrative when it comes to Shiba Inu anymore. But that's not just Shiba Inu, it's cryptocurrency in general. Everybody's views across the board. If you are a cryptocurrency YouTuber, almost every single person's views are down from 2021 when we were at the absolute peak, all-time highs for all cryptos. Everybody was making money, right? Everybody's views are down since then. So this is pretty much hinting at the fact that people are becoming disinterested. But guess what? It is my opinion, obviously not financial advice, but it is my opinion that people are able to make money during a bull run, but people are able to make dumb money during a bear market. And what I mean by that is this. A lot of people said they missed the opportunity when it comes to Shiba Inu. Let's just go ahead and look at the all-time chart. A lot of people told me, man, I really wish I would have been able to buy Shiba Inu in 2021 very early on. And then they missed it, right? And then people again were telling me, man, I really wish I would have been able to buy it in the summer of 2021. And then now they're saying they missed it again. Well, guess what? Here is the opportunity. And a lot of people don't see it because we're looking at Ethereum right now. And if we click the all-time chart, Ethereum is seriously struggling. We haven't seen levels this low since pretty much summer of 2021 when it comes to Ethereum. Well, Shiba Inu, look at this. Practically the exact same thing, up a little bit from the summer of 2021, obviously. But still, these are the types of opportunities that, in my opinion, I would not want to miss. If you were somebody that was waiting on the sidelines, waiting for the opportunity to pounce on some of these cryptocurrencies, guess what? We are starting to approach those levels where we are saying, hey, is the bottom here? And are we going to ride sideways or go up from here? Not necessarily go down. Again, there could still be a lot more pain in the market, but in my opinion, I have come to a point now where I am more bullish than I am bearish in terms of the price going down. But there are still a couple of reasons to be bearish. Obviously, tensions overseas have not fully cleared up. Regulation around this whole Terra Luna, Terra UST, all this stuff, weird, strange things that are happening and legal action being pursued because of that situation. So we could be seeing some crypto regulation coming. And of course, the elephant in the room, which is inflation. It comes sky high, and people, when inflation is high and the Federal Reserve is somewhat bearish and they're tightening up, increasing interest rates, nobody's interested in indulging and investing in risky assets such as cryptocurrency. So a couple of reasons to be bearish. But on the flip side of that, everybody's talking about crypto, everybody's talking about NFTs, and everybody's talking about the metaverse. Not retail investors. No. That was 2021. Now it's the hedge funds, the institutions, and the governments that are talking about crypto. That's what makes me so bullish on crypto, is because it's no longer the retail investors that are at play. It's these big dogs that really want a slice of the pie, and they've just been waiting for an opportunity to get in on the action. So the question becomes, when are the bulls going to overtake the bears? Well, in my opinion, over the next 6 months, a lot of unknowns need to be answered, such as the bear scenarios that we just covered. But over the next several years, I think these institutions are going to start pouring in, these hedge funds are going to start pouring in. And as governments start regulating cryptocurrency, they are going to become more and more interested. But obviously only time will tell. I still do think that Shiba Inu is going to play a very important role on the future of the cryptocurrency market. And I still hold true to my prediction when it comes to Shiba Inu. I still think we are going to eat one of these zeros. The timing, I think, is a little bit more variable. I did say I thought that it was going to happen here in 2022, but as long as the bear market is on, it might take a little bit more time. But once that bull market hits, man, I really do think a $60 billion market cap is very reasonable as a first target for Shiba Inu. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. It really means a lot. Please keep in mind, folks, I am by no means a financial advisor. I'm just here to put you guys on plays that I'm in. Please go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you guys so much once more. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I'm out the scene, folks. Peace out.